Welcome to Mega Technology, your destination for discovering the wonders of heavy equipment, modern inventions, and the incredible feats of technological progress. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. ChemRock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rocks. ChemRock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rock up to 120 megapascal and reinforced concrete. Thanks to the two high-torque motors, high-performance figures are achieved. Interestingly, the DMW series is also capable of working underwater at depths of up to 30 meters, making this equipment ideal for trenching and underwater work. Thanks to its modern modular system, its versatility and precision in maneuvering even in the tightest of spaces, as well as Kemeto's extensive range of SPMT components, you have the ideal transport solution for all applications in heavy haulage, heavy industry, shipbuilding, oil and gas, offshore transport, and more. But in fact, this modular system can also be used for simpler yet complex tasks. For example, when it is necessary to transport a huge stone boulder from a field to another place in Germany. As you can see, this technique copes with the job perfectly. Moving ultra-heavy equipment weighing about 242 tons over 220 yards in 7 evenings? For Belmar's Yankee Dryer, this was possibly thanks to the company's precisely planned logistics and very advanced transportation technology. This example clearly demonstrates how advanced solutions can simplify complex tasks, reducing costs and delivery times, while ensuring absolute safety for valuable cargo at every step of a very long journey. Are you looking for a telehandler that can handle any task? Bobcat offers a wide range of models, each with unique capabilities for different jobs. For example, the TR50-210 is ideal for lighter tasks, thanks to its convenient swivel stabilizers, lift heights from 59 to 82 feet, and a maximum lift capacity of 5 tons. If you need to tackle larger projects, consider the TR60Y-260, which can handle up to 6 tons. These trucks feature scissor stabilizers and high ground clearance for excellent maneuverability, even on uneven terrain. This versatile Trail King cart can be used with Schnabel configuration, replace the standard wheelbase with a steerable 13-axle configuration, or used with a Jeep dolly for bunk bed operation. The new Trail King design provides better maneuverability with a larger steering angle, steeper turns, and less manual steering. The mobile unit provides wireless manual operation and automatic leveling after manual operation for an automatic self-centering feature. As pipe welding standards and techniques continue to evolve, McElroy introduces the latest machine, reliable and industry-leading equipment. Their Triton 560 combines the features of 3 of McElroy's most innovative machines: reliable portability and Trackstar I-Series technology, Talon 2000 pipe loading capabilities, and the ability to meet the pipe where it lies found in Acrobat quick-fit carriages. These techniques help with pipe positioning, providing greater flexibility and increased productivity. With the same rugged dual rubber tracks found on McElroy Trackstar machines, the Triton provides all-terrain mobility, allowing for easy movement over various surfaces, and can drive directly to and from the pipe itself. The SLJ series machine of Beijing Wall Joint Machinery Company, also known as Iron Monster, has become a step forward in bridge construction. It not only accelerates construction processes, but it also saves costs and resources. This monster can lift, carry, and install prefabricated bridge sections at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour without wasting time on assembly. The machine is about 91 meters long and weighs 580 tons. However, this is a plus for the bridges because when they are designed by architects, they are given additional resources to withstand, such as load. However, this machine has a significant disadvantage. Its service life is limited to only 4 years. According to technological documentation, the Iron Monster can withstand the laying of 700 to 1,000 bridge spans, which is approximately equal to 4 years of fruitful work. The H4 Refinator from Roxgon is a 28-ton machine that acts like a giant cheese grater, removing a rock layer at a time. Hydraulic tines impact the surface, reducing the size and the mass of the rock before a water-filled 9.8-foot wide rib drum completes the shredding process. Just 2 or 3 passes will produce pea-sized crushed rock mixed with soil up to 2 feet deep, an ideal base for a wide variety of crops and pastures. Designed to be as rugged and simple as possible to minimize potential downtime and material consumption costs, this powerful machine can crush most types of rock with minimal damage to wear parts. And it's all thanks to stronger tools that interact with the ground. Canadian company K-Tech has presented a concept of a new model of scraper with dimensions that allow transporting the equipment by road without special permission. And the fact that this scraper is presented in close contact with a 38-ton tractor from Rockback makes this machine incredibly productive and efficient in work. This powerful version of the machine provides better fuel economy, lower emissions, increased safety, and greater durability. And this scraper tractor works even in the toughest conditions. Want to know how to cut I-beam steel and pipe efficiently? The CAT S3070 shears are ideal for hydraulic excavators weighing 30 to 45 tons. With a 7-ton weight capacity, 40-inch jaw depth, and 32-inch opening width, these shears can handle the roughest materials, steel plates, and pipes with high efficiency. With exceptional durability and easy maintenance, the CAT S3070 is an indispensable tool in various scrap metal and steel recycling facilities. And in this video, we can clearly see the cutting power of the machine. In northern Thailand's Lampang province, ITD is deploying ThyssenKrupp's advanced Barracuda rotary excavators at the Mae Mo mine, 372 miles from Bangkok. These excavators can handle up to 18,000 tons of overburden per hour, ensuring continuous and efficient coal mining. The state-of-the-art equipment not only reduces operating costs and harmful emissions, but also eliminates the need for blasting and separate loading operations, making mining safer and more environmentally friendly. ITD thereby raises standards in the mining industry, greatly reducing environmental impact and increasing productivity. Scania's battery electric truck offers continuous operation completely free of toxic emissions, which could very soon become mandatory for certain areas and sectors. Our world is striving for a green future, and this is becoming a common requirement for new contracts. The electric powertrain provides considerable power and constant torque. With a range of 250 kilometers from a single charge, short and medium routes can be completed exclusively on electric power. Such a cool Scania electric vehicle will have a set of 5 or 9 batteries, powering an electric motor with 310 horsepower. You can see the brand new track drive from Multi-One mini loaders. It fulfills its primary purpose by providing maximum machine stability and traction with minimal ground damage and low ground pressure. The large contact area under the tracks reduces pressure, minimizes ground damage, and prevents falling through soft ground and rutting. So now you can have a truly superior ally in agriculture, green space and landscaping construction, and property maintenance. The CX750D is the only excavator in its class to offer selective catalytic reduction (SCR) and diesel oxidation catalyst (DOC) technologies. What does this mean for you? No fuel overruns or extra downtime with regeneration cycles, no particulate fixtures to replace, just high-performance Tier 4 final compliance systems that won't slow you down. Even the hydraulics help save fuel with Case's exclusive intelligent hydraulic system, which actively manages hydraulic power during lift, dump, and digging turning. When was the last time loading wood seemed like an easy task? That's all about to change with trailers from Dole. Designed for logs up to 72 feet, these 2- and 3-axle ingenious designs turn loading into a process worthy of admiration. With their unique crane and multi-telescopic adapters, every action becomes precise and efficient. CAN bus network control and specialized semi-trailer equipment ensure that every load is delivered safely and precisely where it needs to go. Bucket Mouth TSG 1000 Stump Grinder is up to any task. The company has been involved in site preparation and land conservation for over a decade, and its machinery has been involved in some of the largest land conversions in the world. The new tracked machine is ideal for plantations affected by forest fires or drought. With it, you can mulch standing trees, leaving behind a finish that can be planted immediately. The Bucket Mouth LSG 900 Stump Grinder, rugged, reliable, and efficient. The system returns all nutrients back to the soil when land is converted, removing all stumps ready for planting. TMC Cancella's forestry mulching solutions are definitely built for the toughest working conditions. This equipment is specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stump residues after felling. It produces a very high degree of mulching, often with sawdust. The technique has been developed with high build quality, using high-strength steel and the latest technology for production. Due to the versatility and efficiency, this company's forest mulchers have become simply indispensable tools in the forestry industry, providing an effective means of land preparation and vegetation control. One thing I can say is that watching red-hot metal take unusual shapes in just a few seconds is incredible. Such a moment makes your eyes burst with wonder. With the Piston Bully Model 100E, Koss Bohrer has taken its first all-electric vehicle to the snow. It is preferably off-road because this is where the electric drive concept can best show its strengths. The hydrostatic drive and tiller drive have been replaced by 3 electric motors. This ensures direct power transmission and an increase in efficiency of around 100%. Compared to a central electric motor, this means a 20% increase in range per charging cycle. Get the most out of vehicle disassembly with the Power Hand VRS 200. Combining the dexterity grapple with integrated scissors and the VRS 200 clamp with clamping legs that not only open and close to process engines and gearboxes, but also raise and lower to securely grip vehicle bodies during processing. The Power Hand VRS is the perfect combination of power and maneuverability. Suitable for installation on most machines with a payload capacity of 20 to 25 tons. Plier-like dexterity grapple provides a continuous line of sight from operator to vehicle, allowing valuable materials such as copper wire harness to be extracted from even the hardest to reach places. Powerful hydraulic cylinders and a high torque rotation mechanism gives the VRS the ability to cut through a vehicle with ease. Meet a major league player in the world of metalworking. A powerful press that makes sharp, smooth cuts like magic. This helper not only saves you time and effort, but also takes your projects to the next level. You see the All-John's heaviest model with up to 127,000 pounds that can efficiently handle and compact up to 1,275 tons of trash and debris per day. We can safely say that this equipment has the highest horsepower and horsepower by class compared to competitor models. This power, by the way, is about 550 horses, and here are several possible configurations of wheels and spikes, make it possible to use the machine for various applications. Moreover, such a mid-size unit has exclusive I-beam wheels, 10-inch tires, and hydrostatic transmission design instead of competitors' load-shifting gearbox. You may not have given much thought to the process of making records, but it's surprisingly easy when you have the right machines. With their help, a process that seems like magic becomes a reality. Without this marvelous piece of equipment, picking up yellowing leaves would be a marathon with an uncertain finish line. But thanks to an arsenal of productive machines, the task is reduced to a speedy sprint, allowing them to get the job done in record time. Quad Train is 185 feet long and includes the patented tie-man coupling that ensures compliance with all performance-based standards, PBS requirements, including backward speed boost. The combination travels at 55 miles per hour when loaded and 162 miles per hour when empty. The roller connection of all 4 tanks eliminates the risk of the rear tank tipping over thanks to a specially designed horizontal drawbar with support plate and kingpin. With a gross combined mass, GCM, of 186.5 tons, Fuel Trans achieves a payload of 157 kiloliters of diesel, and the payload of mixed motor fuel and diesel products exceeds 160 kiloliters. Iron Knight Volvo Trax has twice become the fastest tractor in the world. It broke the speed record in the 546 and 1,093 yard categories. It has been at the top for several years, and the record has not been broken until now. This record holder is special in every way. Everything except the I-Shift dual engine and the transmission is custom-made, not standard. The car makes 2,400 horsepower, 6,000 newton-meters of torque, and weighs 4.5 tons. The software has been reprogrammed for high performance. The cabin has an aerodynamically optimized shape and is made of fiberglass. Finally, there are large air intakes on the sidewalls to ensure good engine cooling. You see a new high-capacity side discharge trailer capable of transporting large quantities of waste in a single trip, with the added advantage of time due to high-speed unloading cycles. With a volume of 70 cubic meters and an empty weight of 10.2 tons, this tipper is ideal for any bulk material transport where large volumes of materials are required. The side tipper can transport forestry waste, organic matter, construction, and demolition waste. The cleverly designed wall tilt allows this trailer to unload cargo more efficiently due to its higher center of gravity. All parts of the trailer can be made of aluminum or high-strength hard-ox steel, according to the customer's wishes. The new E7000 SP self-propelled harvester utilizes the latest technology, including the EcoClean system, to maximize control, efficiency, and dust reduction. This harvester can be configured to harvest almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. There is definitely more chain cleaning space than any other harvester. There is a variable speed cleaning fan, and settings are controlled with a joystick. The independent floating pickup head follows the ground contour. And what's more, you get full cab comfort with maximum visibility. Have you ever seen Seneboggan operate with the precision of a surgeon, carefully removing only those sections of trees that have failed or are no longer needed? It's like a dance where every step is designed to preserve the health and beauty of nature, and the waste is immediately converted into a useful resource. You're looking at high-tech hybrid drive underground loaders with reliable, independent electric motors in each wheel. The Komatsu 22H and Model 18H left-hand drive hybrid loaders claim the lowest total operating expenses in their class. According to the manufacturer, the two machines offer a 20% increase in hauled volume over conventionally powered loaders. They also provide up to 20% reduction in fuel costs according to performance tests. This hybrid is designed to help you reduce costs and achieve your underground hard rock mining goals of zero emissions and electrification. The Overossen UTV 445 UTV 550 Performance Line snowplow has been designed for high performance and economy. The snow plows are ideal for working on the most difficult mountain passes, clearing snowdrifts and widening roads. Thanks to their two-stage snow removal system, these machines are capable of clearing any type of snow in all weather conditions. The machine has the main advantages of compact and powerful design, high clearing capacity, good spreading performance, economy, and operational flexibility. The snowplow is designed to be used in combination with front loaders, with a total capacity of 20 to 25 tons. Comag's range of transportation solutions is as broad as the range of applications in the steel industry. Whatever your transportation task, Comag has the right vehicle for you. A vehicle that will prove its worth under the most demanding conditions. Extreme conditions, slag with temperatures up to 1300 degrees, liquid steel, angular and dusty bulk loads several meters long, red-hot slabs, or coils weighing tons. Comag can cope with any task. For example, the machine in front of you is designed to minimize the risk of accidents at work. See for yourself how it works. The new Magirus Wolf R1 is a true marvel of robotics. It fully justifies its considerable cost and can perform the most complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width allows it to be used on forest fires or on highly hazardous industrial fires. The TAF-60, on the other hand, can flow up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, which is a great advantage, especially when fighting large fires in chemical or refinery plants. The overall height of the firefighting robot has been reduced to less than 6.2 feet, which means the TAF-60 can easily penetrate low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, opens up a whole new operational tactic. While the hot spot is being cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. Friends, you see a Palfinger van forklift, your new best partner in delivery. This versatile forklift can be ready for action in just 30 seconds, ideal for dynamic logistics operations. Its excellence lies in its ability to adapt to any terrain conditions, ensuring that every delivery is made without compromising on accuracy and speed. Integrated into the design, a compact storage box under the loading dock allows for optimal use of space, while quick deployment ensures maximum productivity every working day. Called by the company a skid steer bucket on steroids, the Blade Buddy has a center support system that allows it to be lifted and moved with a full load of material. Equipped with dual pins, the equipment can transform from unloading to carrying modes in seconds. This allows you to collect, unload, spread, or load contents. The attachment is also equipped with load support brackets, which are removable hinged extensions located on either side of the front of the unit. Have you ever seen a spacecraft's giant external fuel tank being transported? The transport of NASA's latest such tank, ET-94, to the California Science Center turned into quite a spectacle. This unique and massive project attracted thousands of spectators who gathered to watch the process. Thanks to a high-tech transportation system, this huge, space-age artifact slowly but surely reached its destination, demonstrating the wonders of modern logistics and engineering. The entire route was carefully planned to ensure the safety and security of the unusual cargo, making this an unforgettable event for all witnesses. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket converts the hydraulic energy of mobile equipment or vehicles into a vacuum to dispose of debris and into an airstream for cleaning. It is used for cleanup at construction and demolition sites, as well as other maintenance tasks. The HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket not only produces a powerful negative pressure of -8 kilopascal, but also has other excellent features. For example, it has a powerful maximum airflow of 3.4 meters cubed per second. There are auxiliary suction ports and a vacuum hose for on-foot operation. There is also an adjustable suction airlock for precise vacuum cleaning. You see the first compact straight boom SJ crawler elevator unit from JLG. With a platform height of 65 feet 7 inches and 500-pound capacity for 2 workers, a 39-foot horizontal outreach and versatility, This new piece of equipment is ideal for a wide range of applications, including forestry, painting, general maintenance, electric work, HVAC, and window cleaning at various job sites. Among the significant pluses, for example, the architecture of this new compact tracked elevator allows operators to reach full height more efficiently, while the track design and the ability to climb gradients of 40% mean this model can climb slopes compared to standard elevators. Are you looking for a forest maintenance solution that combines lightness and high efficiency? The MIDI Force Shredder from SEPI-M is your ideal choice. With its unique design, including a smart rotor and an optimally designed chopping chamber, this machine delivers maximum productivity by utilizing the power of your tractor to its full potential. It can turn trees and shrubs up to 9.8 inches in diameter into chips, and the MIDI Force is ideal for cleaning power lines, roadside areas, and other areas. Offering working widths of 5.7, 6.6, and 7.4 feet, the tool ensures flexibility in all conditions. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. The base of this complex is a Volvo car chassis, which is equipped with a railroad track with bogies that provide movement on the railroad track, driven by the friction of car wheels on rails with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping station, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment. The self-propelled three-wheeled machine with the latest suction unit is used to clean festival grounds and streets, and in the winter to suck up leaves for various municipalities. The three-wheeled bike, as it is called, is very maneuverable. The location of the suction nozzles on the front of the machine, rather than the rear, prevents the vehicle from pushing the waste into the ground beforehand. The fans provide suction power and dirt pulverization. Due to its small size, the machine is easy to maneuver among the objects at the festival. The machine can unload the waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. Belardi in UOS 155 version with demining device is a hydraulically operated vehicle designed for engineering and decontamination works, neutralization of anti-personnel and anti-tank mines by percussion chain system to a depth of up to 7.9 inches. This model is designed as a self-propelled vehicle on the chassis of the T55A tank, and the crew consists of 2 persons, an engineer and a driver. The speed of this vehicle in the field is 6.2 miles per hour, and on the highway is 18.6 miles per hour. Allow me to introduce you to a machine that is not just a machine, but a whole orchestra of mechanisms playing in unison for the sole purpose of achieving perfection. Its appearance, it is the epitome of performance and power, a real visual treat. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor, named Sesame, is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modern agricultural machinery by its quietness. You have to agree, and it looks no less impressive. The LTM 1650 heavy-duty crane, version 8.1, has been designed for maximum performance, and the result is impressive. It can easily lift 700 tons or even more. Its rated lifting capacity is therefore 700 tons. The machine moves easily with an axle load of 12 tons, complete with a 54-meter telescopic boom and front supports. However, to minimize installation time, the rear supports are installed as a complete support box in a single elevator and connected using quick couplers. The Dutchman 30-degree tapered tree shovel, available in models from 330 to 600, model 420 is shown in the video, is ideal for digging up trees with tapped roots or in sandy soil. The shovel is almost completely enclosed at the bottom, minimizing soil loss. However, due to the pointed shape, the resulting root clods are less stable and balanced. It is the ideal compact shovel for small to medium-sized loaders. This unit digs from 34 inches to 20 inches. The weight of the inner frame is approximately 1,450 pounds. Creating perfect parts seems like a mystery, only until a powerful technological titan enters the scene. With its help, the manufacturing process becomes an art form where every action is precise and efficient. Long reach, low weight, short support spacing, and ease of operation. The S47 SX3 from Schuppe offers everything from maximum efficiency and safety in concrete paving. The 5-part mast, the intuitive roller folding, and the exceptionally large and fully usable opening angles of the mast elements give the machine a high level of mobility in a wide range of applications. Thanks to the low curb weight, just over 31 tons, and the COC documentation supplied from the factory, this machine can be quickly and legally registered in all European countries. It's wonderful how modern machines can marvel at their power and speed of task completion. Efficient? Definitely, yes. Meet the R3 Impact Crusher. The innovative machine design has won the prestigious Red Dot Design Award, the German Design Prize Award, and the Big C Award. And thanks to innovative technologies such as zero-emission electric drive system, high safety and environmental standards, as well as a powerful and functional design, the R3 can be called the best impact tool in the world. Watching the transformation of a rough material into a refined creation is a pleasure for the soul. Each stage of this transformation is a testament to the wonders of modern machine craftsmanship, transforming the ordinary into a timeless symbol of aesthetics and grace. When you need it, you can extend your reach with the KJ, the new hydraulic equipment from Hilpert, which is designed to increase the flexibility of the flagship crane. With 2 additional extensions, the KJ combines the crane's lifting capacity with greater articulation height. In its maximum configuration, this 2255 model reaches a height of 2,165 inches for outstanding performance. And it is truly impressive. Do you want to see how far progress in metalworking has come? Then just watch how metal rods are gathered in just a few moments to form an object. Craftsmanship and speed are at work here. The multi-purpose mine ambush armored recovery crane, M-Park, is based on the concept of independently suspended axles and a spatially robust frame. The new M-Park is an unrivaled crane of its kind with exceptional performance. All-wheel drive provides superior traction and mobility. The machine provides high protection against mines, IEDs, and kinetic energy munitions. 5-point safety belts, protection, fire, and explosion protection system, and specially designed seats create a safe environment for personnel. You see the PT300D Mine tracked demining vehicle. It is equipped with a rotor with fixed tines or whips and can effectively clear anti-personnel and anti-tank mines at speeds of up to 4 miles per hour. It uses a rocker undercarriage, which provides excellent cushioning on the terrain. The machine is equipped with a powerful Caterpillar diesel engine for 302 horsepower and is able to work on climbs up to 45 degrees and slopes steeper than 35 degrees. The remote-controlled PT300D Mine can also be equipped with other hydraulic attachments, such as a milling machine, stump grinders, and others. See how this young man is working on his lawn? He clearly enjoys it immensely. Not only is it good for the lawn, but it brings him great joy. A true example of how a favorite activity can be doubly beneficial.
People's yards that forklifts can't do that because
we have witnessed human genius give birth to a technical marvel that has already become a star at the Innovation Fair. Its design beckons the eye and impresses the imagination, making us wonder if its functionality will surpass its appearance. DFM feller buncher equipment is designed to automate the logging process. When combined with a deer track loader, a real combo is created. Thanks to such equipment, the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive operations of cutting down tree trunks and stacking them in packs can be performed. The machine can be used on soils of various types, including clay and sandy. Among the advantages are high productivity, especially compared to manual labor, cross-country ability and maneuverability, as well as ease of operation and high speed of operator training. The Matterhorn Gothard Bond vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is required. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people in one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. This is XCMG's new generation K-Series powerful skid steer loader. The new supercharged cab with more space and optimized ergonomic design enhance operator safety and comfort in operation. The 2-speed switching and ultra-high flow output realize energy saving and high efficiency. The machine is equipped with highly adaptive design and various tree planting and transplanting accessories, so you can confidently rely on this machine for your hard work. With several giants of technology taking up the challenge, one thing is promised: perfection in every curve and precision in every corner of your future. You can rest assured it will be perfect for future use. Hauling gravel and construction materials over tracks has never been easier than with the Hydrema 912 ES rail dump truck. It is capable of operating in both high and low rail mode, feeding material in a 180 G zone. The rail modules are mounted on a bolt-on system with quick couplings for hydraulics. This allows them to be removed when not in use for rail work. The large rail wheels ensure the position and stability of the tipper on the track, even at high speeds. The hubs of the rail wheels have individual disc brakes, so that both service and parking brakes act directly on the rail wheels. For safety reasons, this dump truck is equipped with automatic hydraulic locking of the articulated steering. In this way, the front and rear chassis are locked together, ensuring the truck's rigidity and minimizing the risk of derailment. The P995 pontoon excavator from Liebherr is characterized by fast cycle times and high digging force. It has an operating weight of about 360 tons, an engine output of 1,750 kilowatts, and a respectable 346 horsepower, and a digging depth of up to 74 feet. Its design features a large panoramic window that provides an excellent view of all the equipment. By the way, the cutting force of the equipment is 657 kilonewtons, and the breakout force is 774 kilonewtons. The longest working equipment of the pontoon monster consists of a 53-foot monoblock boom, a 36-foot handle, and a capacious 36-foot backhoe bucket. This giant destroyer, the embodiment of power and inexorability, like a creature from ancient legends, is ready to crush everything in its path. With every movement of its iron jaws, hopes for salvation disappear, turning vehicles into a pile of wreckage. Autonomous machines are arguably the smartest tools that are ideal for getting the job done faster, safer, and more efficiently. That's why the natural gas electric wheel loader, jointly developed by Robo and DH Technologies, provides fully autonomous material handling and truck loading with high productivity, clean emissions, and revolutionary efficiency. Well, what else do you need to get great results? Canadian company Movex Innovation Incorporated has developed GreenGo transportation equipment that is used in the construction, mining, petrochemical, landscaping, and industrial industries, among others. Their lifting track system is a versatile, durable, and reliable piece of equipment. Such ladder transportation equipment has made Movex famous around the world, and for good reason. After all, it is capable of climbing stairs with an angle of inclination of up to 40 degrees and carrying up to half a ton of additional load. What's more, with a turning radius of 5.8 feet, it requires little space to move. The tracks can handle any surface. They cling to snow, mud, sand, or gravel. The Safe Aero 220 can be controlled, maneuvered, and sprayed from the cab, making it the only single-operator de-icer in the ground support industry. Wireless data transmission and remote diagnostics allow real-time status monitoring and quick changes to improve performance. The Safe Aero 220 also features a powerful ground gun with a 32-foot hose reel for accurate and efficient ice removal processes. Experience a new level of comfort with the Safe Aero 220, the de-icing solution for any operation. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.